So here's how to close your Shopify account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your account, now click on the settings option from the left panel at the bottom of this page. After that, it will open this pop-up window. And here at this page, you have to click on the plan option. Once you click on it, now it will open this page. After that, at this page, you will be able to view the deactivation account option or close your account option. You have to simply click on it. As you can see here, it's asking me the reason why I want to close my account. You have to simply select any reason that suits you and then click on the continue. Moving on, again click on the deactivate store option. After clicking onto this option, you have successfully closed your account. However, Shopify keeps your data safe for about 2 years. So that's how to close your Shopify account.